Hi Aishwarya.
Do you really think the husband ever wins?
Okay, hi. Aishwarya, this is Zico from the Indian Express. Hi Sanjay.
Hi.
So you've had this is a long gap since you did your last film, and there's been I believe, huge sort of growth in life experience because you've been a mother and sort of raised her for about a year or so. So that life experience, how much difference has that made when you played the character, and as compared to the last time when you played Zico?
Hi, Zico. I got asked a very interesting question, and no offense, but I'll tell you how he asked me. So he said, so there's been a huge gap since you last faced the camera, raising your daughter for a year or so. Interesting. My daughter is going to turn, she's 3.5 plus. She's 3 years, 10 months. So I didn't raise her just for a year. It's been a while, you're right. But interestingly, the way you just put it, because you're obviously assuming it's just been a year, likewise for us as new mothers, we have no concept of the way time flies. You're multitasking on another level, and you all will get that here as students. When you're sitting and dealing with your everyday life, with festivals, with your studies, with your submissions, with exams, there are so many things that you're dealing with on a daily basis that time just flies you by. And normally we try and say that that's a good thing. So working on this subject was definitely, while you say yes, I was enriched with the experience of being a mother. That's what probably made me bring a lot of integrity and truth also to the way I've essayed Anuradha. Because, as actors, you don't necessarily constantly refer to real life experiences, but as an artist, experience is the greatest teacher. So you will otherwise be referencing, you'll be picking up from somebody else's life, you'll be picking up from impressions of, very often we don't realize it, but you are so impressed upon by the cinema you have viewed. That's the kind of subconscious imaging with which you also come to set. But actually having become a mother was perfect for a script like this, because there's a lot of truth to nuancing that you can bring in terms of any dramatic moment, what degree of truth you can bring to that sense of drama without necessarily being overt, and yet being all there, all heart, every pulse, every cell of your body actually committed to that moment. It does, experience does bring a lot of honesty.
I, Coach, there's only to increase, nothing to reduce.